Welcome to Medina. Today you guys are in for a treat because we're gonna give you a very exclusive look of the $7 million listing in Medina, Washington, which is one of the most desirable and most expensive zip codes in all of the United States. My friends Terry Allen and Patricia Wallace currently have this home listed, and we wanted to give you a tour. So let's go take a look. As you can see, even from the approach, everything was completely redone. It has immaculate landscaping and the curb appeal is perfect. We are just minutes away from downtown Bellevue, and this home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It's just right under 4,800 square feet, and it's impeccable. As you can see, right as you walk in, everything looks luxurious and is brand new. The interiors were designed by the known designer Ted Tuttle, and they're executed by Schultz Miller. It feels in here even better than it looks on camera. I just love the neutral tones of white and cream throughout. We have marble floors throughout the main level, and this kitchen is world class. Top of the line appliances, brand new cabinets, brand new countertops, everything is dialed in. I just love the use of space on this whole main level. It's perfect for entertaining, for dinner parties. You have your dining room with the most gorgeous chandelier you'll probably ever see. It feeds into a very cozy family room. And we have a massive outdoor terrace for you to enjoy. Also, a special feature of this home is that the primary bedroom suite is on the main level. So if you have kids or loud kids, all of the other bedrooms are downstairs, so that's definitely a plus. And as you enter the primary suite, you'll find 2 oversized closets and a bathroom that's to die for. You'll notice the theme throughout this whole house are high-end finishes, and this is no different. We again have marble floors, a very large oversized shower, Baccarat luxury light fixture. It's impeccable. Now let's go check out the rest of this level before we head outdoors, which is my favorite part of the house. Even the powder room here is spectacular. We have throughout all of the bathrooms in a home, we have designer Baccarat light fixtures and Sherrill Wagner hardware. And also upstairs, we have an office, a laundry room, and a 2-car garage right here to my left. And now let's head outside, which is my favorite part of the whole house. With these wide French doors, you can get it opened up, and it has a very good indoor-outdoor flow. And you're greeted with this beautifully landscaped, very private yard, which includes a heated lap pool, which is perfect for a chilly fall day like we have here in Seattle today. You will see turf throughout, so it's very easy to maintain, and it's impeccable and green year-round. And you should see this place at night, because with all of the outdoor lighting that they have out here, it lights up beautifully. And then over here, you can see we have multiple other terraces. We see the top of downtown Seattle city skyline out in the distance. And the lot is over 17,000 square feet, so it's a very good size, and the use of space is excellent. So now let's go downstairs and check out the rest of the house. Right as we enter, you saw a very wide, beautiful staircase that leads you upstairs. Throughout this main level, it has white bleached oak floors, which are beautiful and blend very nicely with the whole color palette here as we walk throughout. We have a family room with additional outdoor terraces. What I really love about this home is that any outdoor terrace, it's very, very private as you get out there. So you can see with mature landscaping that's beautifully dialed in, you get to enjoy outdoors from basically any room. And then as we continue downstairs, we have 3 more bedrooms and a media room, which is truly special. All of the bedrooms also have a door to the outside, and the bathrooms downstairs are also covered in the same designer finishes that we saw upstairs. And as we finish our tour here downstairs, we have yet another, so this is the 4th bedroom of the home, also has a door to the outside, which is awesome, and another immaculate bathroom. And again, I just can't get over the detail and the tile work throughout this home. Check out this wall. And I know I keep saying this, but this is another favorite part of the house for me, which is the theater room. It's perfect to spend time with family, to watch a football game with your friends. You would find me down here quite often, enjoying myself and relaxing after a long day of selling houses. Well guys, I absolutely adore this house. I did not want this video to end and I did not want to go home, but all good things must come to an end. Thank you again to Terry Allen and Patricia Wallace for allowing us to give you this tour. And this is by far my favorite part of the job, is touring these very exclusive, very luxurious properties. So if you would like to see more of them, please be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below, and I'll catch you in the next video.